Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are your complete and trusted Toyota resource. Why do I say that? Look behind me. The mobile tire team is ready for duty. This is exciting. So imagine you're at home, you need new tires, but you don't have the time and you don't want to go to a dealer and spend hours there waiting. Not at Fred Anderson, it would be quicker. But imagine you did want the convenience of having somebody come right to your house, to your driveway, and change your tires. Announcing the best service of all time.
Hi, my name is Tom Bauman with Southeast Toyota Complete Tire and Maintenance. I wanted to tell you a little bit about our mobile tire installation van. For our customers who have already purchased tires online, so we're adding a new feature where we can install the tires right at your home or office. You simply go to fredandersontoyota.com, order tires, and you'll have an option to do mobile installation. We'll bring our van to wherever you ask us to go, and we'll install 4 tires. It'll take about an hour. I'd like to introduce you to Kevin, one of our technicians who will be performing the mobile tire installations for you.
Hey Kevin.
Hey, how you doing today? My name's Kevin. I'm a technician here on this van. Behind us we have some high-tech touchless equipment. We're able to install 4 tires for you about under an hour or so. We can meet at your home, your office, or wherever is convenient for you so that you don't have to take the time to go to the shops and just save your personal time.
Okay, so where can they go, Tom?
To fredandersontoyota.com, shop tires, and you can schedule your mobile installation. And following your tire installation, we will be in touch with you to schedule your alignment to make sure those tires wear evenly.
That sounds great. State-of-the-art service. We're talking convenience at your home. Can you believe that? Fred Anderson Toyota, your one-stop resource. Please visit fredandersontoyota.com. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.